So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
So for today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin yung common mistakes when using comparisons. At gumawa din ako ng ibang videos about comparisons. Tingnan ninyo yung link sa description below. Ano nga ba yung mga common o madalas na mga pagkakamali sa paggamit ng adjectives when comparing two or more nouns? Okay, so una, we avoid making a double comparison. So hindi yung paulit-ulit, no? Isang beses lang sa isang sentence, pwedeng gamitin yung comparisons. Halimbawa, after dinner, the orchestra began playing a series of more livelier melodies. Okay. So yung ating word dito or adjective na ginamit is more livelier. So more na nga, ginamit na nga natin yung word na more. Tapos yung lively, ginawa pa natin, nilagyan pa natin ng ER. No? So mali yan. Okay. So hindi pwedeng double comparison or ginamit na natin yung more tapos babaguhin pa natin yung pinaka-adjective in that word. Okay? Yung susunod, tingnan natin yung susunod na sentence. After dinner, the orchestra began playing a series of more lively melodies. So dito sa sentence ito, ang ginamit ay more lively. So ito naman ay tama. This is correct. Okay? Kasi pag ginamit natin yung more, yung adjective na kasunod nito, okay, we will just use the base form. Okay? So, after dinner, the orchestra began playing a series of more lively melodies is correct. Okay? Let's look at the next sentence. After dinner, the orchestra began playing a series of livelier melodies. So, in this case, yung ginamit naman na word is livelier. So, ito rin ay tama. Okay, why? Because, remember, dun sa isa nating rule when converting or using a comparative adjective, pwedeng there are words, okay, o merong mga salita na pwedeng gamitan ng more plus the base form ng adjective or pwede rin namang baguhin yung huling letter. Okay, in this case, tinanggal natin yung Y at pinalitan ng IER para maging comparative. Okay. Second, okay, na common mistake when making comparisons or when using comparisons. Some adjectives are absolute and cannot be compared. Okay, meaning hindi siya pwedeng i-compare sa ibang bagay. Yun na yung pinaka. Okay, that is the absolute. Right. Absolute adjectives, first, okay, last, equal, unique. Okay, yun yung mga examples ng mga adjectives that cannot be compared. For example, this is a unique bike. Okay. So yung word na unique is an absolute adjective. So hindi mo siya pwedeng i-compare. Okay, kasi yun yung pinaka-unique, pinaka-kakaiba when we use the word unique. In the second sentence, this is a unique bike than yours. Ito naman ay mali yan kasi like I said o sinabi ko kanina, pag absolute adjective na siya, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-compare sa ibang bagay. Okay? Kasi siya na yung pinaka. Okay? So mali ito. At ang huling common mistake when we are using comparisons, okay, make sure that the items being compared are truly comparable. If not, reword as necessary. Okay, anong ibig sabihin nun? Okay. Tingnan ninyong maigi kung magkapantay lang ba o magka-level yung pinagko-compare ninyo. Okay. Hindi natin pwedeng i-compare, halimbawa, ang aso sa kabayo. Okay? Well, depende, pero hindi direct comparison. Okay, halimbawa, let's have the next sentence. The tropical fish found in Caribbean are less colorful and varied than the South Pacific. This is incorrect o mali. Why? Because ang kino-compare, yung unang subject natin is, or yung unang noun, ang binabanggit ay yung mga isda sa Caribbean. Tapos, pagdating dun sa second subject, hindi na nabanggit yung mga isda, kung hindi lugar na lamang ang nabanggit. Okay? So, hindi naman natin pwedeng ikumpara ang isda at ang isang lugar. Okay? So, kaya, this is incorrect. Paano natin to babaguhin to make it correct? Ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So, the correct sentence is, the tropical fish found in the Caribbean are less colorful and varied than the fish found in the South Pacific. Ngayon, itong sentence ito ay tama na. Okay, kasi kinukumpara natin yung fish sa Caribbean at yung mga fish din sa South Pacific. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito at kung nagustuhan ninyo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.